expose yourself to the audience and get to know actually your own qualities, what you can share with others. To stand up in the stage and just express yourself and just give whatever you have so that people will know you, will recognize you and soon come to you so that they can share the same thing which they want, they're looking out for. Yeah.
For me, and the takeaways for me from this event is the networking. I've met many new people, shared the experience with them, and learned a lot of things, how to approach your current employer and how the way you should approach your current employer is, which is really very important, because if you know what they are asking for and you do for that, and it would be actually a good chance for you to get into that particular company you are aiming for. So make sure that you are pretty much confident. You make sure you do your homework before doing that.
Try to learn something out of it. Try to learn something from the judges' talks and gain experience. And it's not always excellence that matters. You got invited for the participation. That itself is a big thing. I got a lot of information and how to actually make a position in this business field, and what are the expectations from there. So you can be calm, easy, comfortable and conversational, free with them.
This is a great exposure for me to pitch what my value is, because the entire process I had to find out who I am and pitch my true value, which I think I could take out to the business world. So this experience itself and the process that led to this event really helped me, and I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, I think this is a very great experience, because it's the first time for me to do the pitching. And I think I actually overcome the challenge, because this is my challenge. It's not about the winning, it's about having the challenge. And I did it, and I'm very happy with that.
Apart from an iPad, what I'm taking from this experience, I have to do a lot of networking, because that's what I'm here for. I have to build relationship, I have to grow my network. So you have to create an opening inside an organization and show the employer that you fit inside that opening perfectly. I knew that I had a good chance, but the contestants were really good. Yes, I do have a concrete stuff that can actually make me win. I just need to garnish it, and I just need to shape it.
I've been to 2 workshops so far, and especially the one that I've been to today has been so valuable. I've gained a lot of real-world insights into how businesses actually think and how the business people who might be employing me actually think, and that's so valuable.
This opportunity is very valuable for us because we met lots of professionals around the industries.
To have more confidence and also to be ready to pitch your value to any employer. So I thought that there should be a need for more PI and Māori students to participate in these sort of things. I think the value in it is to develop more confidence in ourselves and to be ready to, market ourselves and become our own brand.